Have you ever stood on an escalator and noticed something strange along the sides? Right next to the moving steps, there are long brushes running along the edges. Most people see them every day, but very few people ever stop to think about them. So what are those brushes for? At first glance, they might look like they are meant to clean the escalator. Some people even assume they are there to sweep dust or dirt away from the steps, but that is actually not their main purpose. The real reason behind those brushes has to do with safety. To understand why they exist, we need to look at how escalators work. Escalators are made of moving metal steps that rotate around a track. These steps must move continuously while staying in line with the sides of the escalator. Because of this movement, there must be a small gap between the steps and the side panels. This gap allows the steps to move smoothly without getting stuck. However, this small gap can also create a potential danger. Shoes, loose clothing, or objects could accidentally get caught between the moving step and the side panel. If something gets trapped there, it can cause injuries. Engineers needed a simple way to reduce this risk. This is where the brushes come in. The brushes are not designed to physically stop objects from entering the gap. Instead, they act as a psychological warning. When people feel the brushes touching their shoes or clothing, they naturally move their feet away from the edge. This subtle contact reminds people to stand closer to the center of the step. It gently encourages safer behavior without people even realizing it. In other words, the brushes guide passengers to stand in the safest position. This design significantly reduces the chance of accidents. Another benefit of these brushes is visibility. The brushes often create a clear boundary between the safe sphere and I stay stand out area and the edge of the escalator. This visual cue helps people become more aware of their surroundings. It is a small design detail, but it plays an important role in safety. Engineers often use these kinds of subtle design features. Instead of relying only on warning signs, they create physical cues that influence how people behave. These small features quietly guide people towards safer actions. So the next time you step onto an escalator and feel those brushes near your feet, remember their purpose. They are not there for cleaning. They are there to keep you away from the dangerous edges. A simple idea, but a very smart design. Another hidden reason behind everyday objects we use all the time